Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a high converting fast food poster using Canva, step by step, even if you are a beginner. By the end, you will know how to create eye-catching restaurant posters for burgers, pizza, fried chicken, or any fast food brand. So, let's get started. Step 1, open Canva and choose a poster template. Go to Canva. You can create a design if you want to, or you can just go ahead and search for template. So I'm gonna go ahead and click template on the side panel here. Type fast food restaurant. Right? So restaurant. Right? So as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to choose a template. So what I'm gonna do, let's say, oh, it's all delicious actually. I'm gonna choose this one. Right? Now all I gotta do is just hit use this template. So it's premium, so I won't be able to use it. Let's say this one. Right? You can hit customize this template. Pick a template with bold layout, big food image, or in clear text areas. Templates save a lot of time, right? And you can add high quality food images. Your visuals are everything. You can use Canva stock images or upload your own photos. If you want to know how to upload stock images from Canva, you can just go ahead and hit templates here. You can just type, let me go to elements here, type burger. Alright, you can add one on your own here. Okay, or you can upload your own image by hitting upload and press upload files and add your burgers or your pizzas, whatever. Search for burger, pizza, fried chicken, drinks. So go to element, just type fries. Alright, you can add it as your order. So choose images that look fresh, juicy, and vibrant. And you can add your main offer, like buy one get one free, 50% off today, special combo meal. Make sure font is bold, text is large, easy to read. This grabs attention easily and instantly. Step 5, add supporting text. You can include details like here, menu items, right? Prices, limited time offers, contact info. Keep it short and clear. Step 6, use strong colors. Fast food posters usually use red for urgency and hunger, yellow for attention, black for contrast. So combine 2-3 colors max to keep it clean. Step 7, add shapes and background effects. You can use gradients, overlays, shadows, frames. If you choose like this one, you can add, transparency, like you can make it disappear, whatever. You can animate it also if you want to use it for video. This helps highlight the food, improve readability, right? So let's say this fries, I'm gonna make it red, right? So, right? You can see that I'm gonna choose, let's say, orange. Orange, and yeah. And the next one, I'll say, okay, make it more orange. So, this is an example basically. Step 8, add logo and branding. You can include restaurant name, logo, social media handles. You can use uploads for that, right? You can upload it here using the uploads on the side panel. Keep branding consistent across all designs, and make it pop, right? To make your poster stand out, add glow behind food. Use drop shadows, slightly tilt elements. Use contrast between text and background. These small details increase engagement. And once you're done, export your poster. You can hit share at the top, Press download. Download it as a PNG for outline or PDF print for printing, right? Use high quality for best result. Bonus tip, use this simple structure: top, logo, center, food image, headline, big offer, bottom, details, plus contact or order now, or call to action basically. This layout works almost every time. Best use cases for this: restaurant promotions, social media ads, flyers, delivery offers, digital menu boards. So use close-ups, use close-up food shots, keep text minimal, focus on one main offer, design for mobile viewing, test different versions. So avoid too much text, low quality images, poor color contrast, no clear offer, cluttered layout. So to rewind, open Canva, choose template, add food image, add headline offer, customize colors, export. Done. Rapid fire. Designing a fast food poster in 2026 is all about visual impact and simplicity. With tools like Canva, you can create professional, high converting designs in minutes, even without design experience. Focus on strong visuals, clear offer, clean layout. That's what gets attention and drives sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you.